Hello, Algebra 2 students. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to pull up the probability with the normal curve on Geogebra. So you're on your Chromebook. You can either do, on the tab here, go to geogebra.org and hit enter as it spins, or down here where you have your circle on the bottom left, you could also, in the search device, type in Geogebra because we have it downloaded on here as well. So either way, you will get to what you want. Okay, so let's just minimize that for a second. If you went to Google and you typed in geogebra.org, what you're going to do is click down here toward the bottom middle where it says Geogebra Classic. So you're going to click on that. It's going to take just a moment for it to load. Okay, now we want it to be in the probability mode. So over here where you have the hamburgers, kind of up here, the three horizontal segments, if you click on that and you're going to go down here where it says view. Okay, so you have these options that pop up under view. So I do not want algebra or graphics. I don't think it's going to let me click off graphics until I get something else. I care about this probability calculator. So I'm going to click on probability calculator, and then I'm going to click off graphics because I don't really care about that right now. So now if I hit the three hamburgers again, it's going to pop up like this. If you hit the app that was on your Chromebook already, it brings it up to something like this. Again, it says Geogebra Classic over here on the right. You care about probability, so you're going to directly just click on probability from there. So either screen will give you what you want, okay? So just a little side note here. So if you're looking under this is what I want, the normal distribution, okay? Here, right here, next to normal, it says your mu, okay? Remember, that's your average, okay? Here you go. You got your sigma. That's your standard deviation. So let's pretend, just a quick example, let's pretend we had an Algebra 2 test and the class average was a 75. So I would type that in there. And let's pretend the standard deviation was 8. So notice it labels my curve to some extent. Okay, it's going to automatically, notice here down where it says P for probability, it's going to automatically put that as one standard deviation away. So remember, one standard deviation from your mean based on the empirical rule is 68%. The GeoGebra aspect of this is going to be a little more accurate. This shows it's it's more like 68.27%. So this is what we're going to be using when it doesn't fit the empirical rule. Okay, so same thing if I went back to here. This is using the website. Again, if it was a 75 class average and the standard deviation was, what did I say, 8, again, it's going to draw the curve for you. So we're going to be using this again when excuse me, when the empirical rule it's going to need to be more specific than the empirical rule. Okay.